Alright, you guys, I am in Burlington, kind of like in their home decor area. We have your lemon, and these are $5, a $5 trade. Check out the sunflower by the brand Tahari. These are 4 from $6. Okay, I love this orange color. The lemon too in the pink. These are 5. Okay, and let's see, everyday set of 4. These are $8 here. Oh, they got everything out for your backyard dining. $8, little get together. The brand is Nanette Lepore. Okay, $8. Don't forget your lemon plate. But check out how cute this bee one is, right? What you call it, a bee? Yeah, it's cute. $4. Only 4. We have your margarita glasses in here. These are 4 as well. I like all the different designs they have. 9. We have your blues. Okay, so this is the one I'm talking about. Normally, in different locations, they split this up to charge you more. $10.99 for this whole set. And then here is a colorful one. These are by Nanette Lepore. Well, this one is. And you got your salad utensils. Only 4. One more over here. I was dropping everything earlier, so not everyone's coming. Okay, let me bring this one out. Did we just look at this? Oh, they look really similar with pink in here. These are $9. $9 for that. A lot of cute stuff. Like, look at the little dinosaur ones. Those are 5. I feel like most of these cups will be 5. I like the dinosaur, little like cheetah, jaguar, whatever. Dino Man surfing. Look at the crab on the whale. I kind of like him. It's cool looking. We have shark, baseball. And these are everywhere. These are $5.99. Okay, and those are 10. You get a set of 4. Farmers Market in here are 8. And a $10. These are really simple. I think I've seen something very similar in Walmart right now. Look at all the different prints they have. They're cute, right? Very sunny. Just getting ready for the sun. The sun's gonna come out blazing. You get 4 in here. These are 8, and they also have it in a larger size if you need it. Let me bring this one out. By Nanette. I feel like we're missing some. $5. I feel like maybe you should have gotten 4 with that. We have the starfish. You get cups in here. Maybe you only get 2. There's only 2. This one has 3 though. $5.99. Way in the back. I'm gonna turn on the light. There we go. For your teas, those are only $5. So small and large, they're pretty much the same price. And look how cute. You got the turtle. Little lemon. Oh, it's right here. How much is that entire set? $17. Okay. More glasses by Nanette. Let me go down here. You get 4 for $8. There's your watermelon. These are kind of cute. My favorite would be the glass, but you know, when you have company over, you know, just want to keep it easy. These are a lot of cute stuff. But check out these candle holders right there. And the bling. I want to say the brand BB. Oh no, Nanette Lepore. $8.99. Very blingy. Some outdoor lighting. $17. Those are solar. You get 6. Oh, look at that cute bird. Those are cute. $15. I like that toucan one too. Oh, those are solar too. Those are cute. Oh, look at the watermelon one. I'd like to find that. The bird feeder. Oh, there it is. Again, I don't think my neighbors are too happy with feeding the birds. Hey, I have quail, okay? I got quail, and I've been finding like red-headed, like finch type of birds, which I never really see here where I live. 13. I think they're mating with like other birds. Finding a lot of new birds lately you normally don't find in Arizona. Look at this one. All the wind chimes. Oh man, Tuesday morning is closed now, you guys. That's so sad because I look forward for Halloween, Christmas. I can't believe they closed. I wonder if there's more still open. Maybe they just closed that one location. Backyard grilling. We got hamburger grilling baskets. I wonder if this would come in handy for camping. I've never tried this. If you guys tried anything like that, let me know. I'm still only 8. They have a hot dog one. Her and her little animal friends. The large turtle and the bird. The bird. Bird's the word. Oh my gosh. $5.99. Have you seen the guy who sings that song? So crazy. Look it up. Okay. Gnome guys. That bird song.
Surfing bird?
Yeah, whatever it's called. Was I singing it wrong? 13? That's what I said, yeah. $15.99. That one is mirrored. Okay, I made it into the wall department. I don't see anything too new. I know a lot of people love this stuff over here. $29.99. $30. And on top, that is $40. $17 for this one. Family on top, only $13. And $25.99. The mirrored is only $15. They look like little gem diamonds. $30. Look at everything you're gonna get. You get like 3. So if you have stuff on your wall, that's quite a bit actually. And these BB ones are $5. By Nanette Lepore, $5. And a 10 in the back. So cute with the love. They're both $4. And more bling. These are $9. And yeah, these are by BB. These are glass. So they kind of have like that gold one and a pink. And down here, these are new. I've never seen it in baby blue, but I've seen the gold and silver one. Those are $13. Oh, look at that. By Nanette for $16. I will say, if you do love that glam and bling decor, Burlington will be your spot for it. Let's see, $5.99 for the glasses. What's down here? Looks really interesting. It's $5.99. I've never seen that. I've only seen these before. Wow. Interesting. $13. It's like beaded glue on. They have a dark blue as well. Oh my gosh. I've never seen the tiny glasses. Those are $4. Normally I see like the big ones. Mr. and Mrs. The elephant. Let me pull some of these out. They're only $15. Okay, it looks like there's multiple to choose from. Love is only $13. Look at the love. It's like little beads. And $8. You could find something really similar in the at-home store, but it is cheaper here. Out here, I've never seen these. Like little trays. Those are $4. Quite a few different designs in here. I want to get to this blue one. The candle holder right here is $17. Again, really heavy by BB. There we go. $17. Put that back. We have the couple smooching. Are these candle holders? Those are cool. $4. I like the different sizes. You could do a lot with that. And some of these plants are only $40. When I get to this pink one right here, $50 for this one. $20 comes with the vase. The yellow one will be $30, $29.99. This one's a little different right here. $15 for the white. Some are $13, so some are gonna have like a different clearance price on it. Mirrors are only $10, like this little tiny mirror wall art. Looking for a large shelf, perfume, maybe books, candles, $20 right here. I was hoping they would have more shelves. What is this one? Let me pull it out. It's a wine rack. Okay. I've never seen that here. That's $13. The blue stool is only $35. $25 for the lady. Laugh as much as you breathe. That big one on top. Okay, stationery department. There's quite a bit in here. Embrace every phase. $3.99. Some cool stuff in here. Best is yet to come. Good things are coming. Stay positive. I like that. We love because he first loved us. And like you know, brushes. Go down here. Oh, there's slime mixed in there. Canvas, you get 8 in here for 10, which is still not a bad price. For your brushes, makeup brushes, pens and pencils. Actually really cute. It has little heart confettis on the inside. Really tiny too. It's not big and bulky like for your desk. If you don't want to take up a lot of space. This one, I'm not sure what it says. This pink one before. A little turning one. I did find a new Disney mug, $5.99. Oh, look at Donald. He dropped his ice cream. He's mad. Chippendale down there eating popcorn. Somebody dropped. Okay. We know you do that. You are here. Oh gosh, so funny. That's so funny. I imagine Disney would be so busy right now with like spring break and everything going on. So we have Enjoy, noodles. No price on this one. Lemon, salt, and pepper shaker, which I don't think we've seen, but they're gonna be $5. Here's little Mickey ones down here. Oh look, Christmas stuff. This is like for your wine bottles. 18. Yeah, when I find Christmas stuff, I feel like it all should be discounted, right? Oh, look at this one. 12-piece set. That's pretty interesting. It's only $11.99. And everything on this side, again, more organization. Is that cherry print? Yeah, the food containers is cute. It is cute. $8. I found the cherry print. And I want to say mainly the bee one. That's all I see here. The bees are here. Every time I see anything bees, you guys, I just think of the hot chick. You know, the cheerleading and their mascot is the bee. The bees are coming. Like every time I see bee items, that's all I think in my head. The hot chick. Okay. Grogu. What's that? I am not too sure what this is. It's $4. Do you know what that is?
No.
No clue.
It's a dirty finger.
I don't know what that was. Fantasia. You know, I honestly don't think I really... You know, I think I've seen Fantasia one time in my entire life. Look how cute the limited 2 one, a twin sheet. That is 10 for a little girl. They also have like a galaxy, a butterfly one. That is a 4-piece set. Here's a Queen by BCBG. This one is 18, little floral action. That's a 6-piece. More unicorn for little girls. What is this one? Kind of looks like vintagey, right? It's a king, and you know what? It's only $19 for a king. Are you kidding me? But you know what? I feel like you have to be careful, because sometimes when I buy bedding from like Ross, I feel like it's a little off. But hey, it gets the job done when you're washing in between. Here's another Queen one. I like prints like these. These are my favorite. $17. Like a spaceship one for children. The Farmhouse Queen, just very simple. $18, so not bad. Oops, let me put this one back. You have your stripes. Betsy Johnson in here. Now this one comes with the mask for 15 and only 20. This one is by London Fog, and again it will be for a king. Very summery, 45. That is by Nanette. A comforter set. It's a 7-piece. So you get the shams, square pillow, comforter, $4.50. Oh, look at this one by the Farmhouse. Very pinky, only 18. And that in the back. Okay, there's some good stuff in this location. I'm glad I came to this one. 9. Oh, I like the color. Is that Minecraft? Is that a B? That's 5. Let me go down here. Is it the bathroom area? Let's see. These are $5.99. Shower curtains. It's kind of a cute one. That is by Thalia. $8 from $10.99. They have a purple one. It's a nice purple color too. $10.99. Ellen Tracy. $10.99. So this one is like the polka dot in silver. It's like a bunny one. $10, and then you get the hooks with them too. So Nautica and the large blanket will be $17. It's like a twin, but it looks really large. They're oversized. French Connection for $23. This one is $15. The brand is Kingston Lane. They're kind of like, maybe, I was gonna say camo, but I'm not too sure. Like maybe animal printish. $15. Is that a gaming one by Wendy? I've never seen like a gaming one by Wendy. No, yeah, video games. $17. So it might be like her kid collection. Okay. More Wendy over here. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough, kind of like in the, you know, home area, this location. Please stay safe. Look at Chaps, and I will see all of you in the next one. $25. 25. And on this side, you guys, like kind of like the end cap, they have like these quilts by Betsy Johnson. They're $35. Like a floral Juicy Couture. This one is like floor action. Kind of reminds me of what's that girl's name from Golden Girls? Blanche. There we go. I was thinking of like her wall and like her bedding. These are $33.